Let's continue talking about some of the stocks that have been hyped on Reddit and what it means to the markets right now after some of the retail brokerages limited trading on some of the heavily shorted names to close positions only yesterday. Robinhood said it would allow limited buys of GameStop, AMC, and others today. We're going to see what that means and how it's going to play out. But check out the rise in Dogecoin. This is a digital coin that was started as a joke in 2013. Rose as much as 800% after Redditors talked about making it the cryptocurrency equivalent of GameStop. And joining us right now to talk about all of this is Anthony Papliano. He is the co-founder and partner at Morgan Creek Digital Assets. Good morning to you. I want to start actually just with the Robinhood news unto itself, what it means to the markets, and whether, frankly, you think Robinhood is going to survive on the other side of this, Anthony.
Yeah, good morning to all of you. I think basically what we're watching is another marketing campaign, right? Last year, I think we watched the Federal Reserve and elected officials run a marketing campaign around the debasement of the dollar. Today and yesterday, what we watched was basically a marketing campaign for the decentralized financial system. And regardless of kind of why certain events happened yesterday, I think it just further kind of the thought process that the little guys constantly has the deck stacked against them. And so you're probably going to see people doing some irrational things. They're going to be buying stocks. They don't care if they make money or lose money. Basically, they're trying to make a statement. But over a long period of time, I think the true impact is essentially we're going to have a great exit. And people are going to realize that no matter how hard they try, no matter how loud they are online or social media, they don't have a voice, and the system is stacked against them. And so they're going to exit that system, and they're eventually going to go find a home in a decentralized digital financial system where there's no one person or group that controls these protocols. There's nobody who can kind of stack the deck against them. And so I think that's really what we're watching here is just kind of an acceleration of this trend. And you see it with Musk and a bunch of people.
So, Anthony, just speak to this because you do understand this generation of traders in a way that few do. Just on the issue of Robinhood itself, because of the number of questions there are about that company today. They've now raised $1 billion. They've also drawn down about $500 million in credit lines. Do customers stay with them? Do they flee?
Yeah, I think that it's got two competing forces, right? There's a lot of people who are really upset. You know, I saw that there was hundreds of thousands, I think, of negative reviews left in the Apple or Google stores. So people are pissed off for sure. At the same time, I don't know if they really have that many other options of where to go today, right? There's a couple of other companies who are competing with them, but Robinhood definitely has kind of top of mind share. And so one other argument is that kind of the Streisand effect happens, where the more people talk about it, the more free marketing they get, the more user acquisition they get. We've seen in the past where they've actually gained users in situations where they had some negative press. So I don't think we know for sure kind of in the short term. Over a long period of time, though, I really do think this is detrimental to somebody's brand, and people will go elsewhere and look for other options.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.